Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister are very well. I come back with another crypto related video. This video is a review video. This site will was payment to every member. So now I made this withdraw video. Made this video review video. So if you want to know this site, please stay with me and keep watching my video. Before I introduce my crypto YouTube channel, my channel name is Crypto and Traveling. Here is a 2 part, 1 part crypto related video uploaded in this and other part traveling related video uploaded in this site. If you get any information, please subscribe and press the bell icon. You will receive all notification very fastly. Now I introduce my Telegram group, which name is Satoshi gift card exchange. If you want to increase your money, please join my Telegram group. Share your hash card and gift card in my Telegram group. Core mining will be indeed at 12 so I request to you, please you joining now, and which are already joining in this core mining, please please increase your mining power. How to increase your mining power? I request to you, you got come to my Telegram group. Here is a have you need a gift card, please here is a available gift card. Many of the member will share their gift card, so I request to you collect your essential card from my Telegram group. সো আপনাদেরকে আমি বলতেছি ভাই, হাতে মাত্র 3টা দিন সময় আছে। সো আপনারা যদি পারে এখনও যদি জয়েন না হয়ে থাকে তাহলে জয়েন করুন। আর জয়েনিং ভিডিওটা আমি একটু পরে এখন দেখাচ্ছি। বাট আপনারা যারা এখনও জয়েন হয়ে হ্যাশ পাওয়ারটা বাড়ান নাই, যেমন এই যে কত ভাইগুলো আছেন তারা মাইনিং করতেছেন বা করতেছেন না, এই তাদেরকে আমি বলবো ভাই, সুযোগ পাওয়া যদি এরকম ওয়েটিং সাসপেন্ড করে রাখেন তাহলে সেটা আপনার জন্যই ক্ষতিকর। প্লিজ আই রিকোয়েস্ট টু ইউ, প্লিজ ডোন্ট ওয়েটিং অর সাসপেন্ড, প্লিজ কন্টিনিউ মাইনিং because of core will indeed few days. It will be indeed 12 December. So not already 521 circulation completed. So I request to you, please keep mining now and come back in core mining. If you want to join this, come on my YouTube channel and select this playlist option. Okay, here is a core mining registration video available here. So আপনারা এখানে অনেকগুলো কোর মাইনিং রেজিস্ট্রেশন সংক্রান্ত ভিডিও পাবেন। আমি সব ভিডিওতেই বলে দিই, কারণ এটা শেষ সময়, তাই আর বলার 3 দিনই আসছি, বারবার বকবক করতেই এই জন্য বকবক করতেছে। সো আই এভরি টাইম রিপিট দিস একই সেম topic because of last 3 days in your 3 days in core mining Indian. So already 521 circulation completed. So here is a joining registration process. When you come to how to join this, you come to this option, and here is a joining link available here. And now what do you you come to all process in your video, in this video. So it's very easy now, and now you increase your mining power by gift card. Come on my gift this group and collect this. Here is a video description available gift card, so you can also collect this from any card. Okay, so now I how to Twitter account use and how to increase your mining power by Twitter account. Here just show you the openly Twitter account, how to create this. You can also use this Twitter account. You can also see this video. And also your Twitter account must be need to core mining in case power. So how to big card Satoshi card collect from this app. Please come to white paper option, and here is all everything also show you very easily how to increase your card. Okay, another option, Satoshi hash card. Okay, now how to MetaMask add to in your wallet. Here is a video here. So I request you please and how to use this MetaMask and increase your 10k and 3k hash power every day. Also show you in this video. So if you watch this, it will be get helpful to you. Now I go to main topic. This site is Rigfund. When you click my video description link, you come to this option, sign up option, and type your full name, email. 2 times you type your password type and create account option. Now I also log in this account. Alhamdulillah, was USDT mining or before days, before previous days. If you want to buy plan, click this option. As a $1 USDT investment, you will get 2% daily bonus. Okay, it's daily payout. Okay, so you can also invest in this site. Okay, any amount you can use the profit. You can Ethereum, Litecoin, other option you can deposit here. Okay, withdraw option, minimum $2 you will withdraw from this site. Okay, so payment may always time pay out to every member. So if you check this option, this block chair, click this block chair. Okay, some block by Bitcoin withdraw, some are withdraw from doggy coin. Okay, so it's a real payout site. So if you want to investment this site, you can easily invest in this site. Okay, so I request to you, you can also you must be come to your profile and must be check out your all every information. And okay, so this is where this site is real payout site and a daily payment out. So I request you can joining now and shortly earning from this site. Okay, so when you join in this site, you 100 days mining free in this site. So I have 94 days in my hand. সো আপনারা এখানে 100 দিন মতো মাইনিং করতে পারবেন। ভালো একটা সাইট, আপনার ভাই মাইনিং করুন এবং ডিপোজিট করলে $1 থেকেও ডিপোজিট করতে পারেন। সো আপনার মাইনিং স্পিডে পাওয়া যাবে। মোমো টুডে, if you thinking this video useful to you, it's like this. Today Friday, pray for me and Jummah of Muslim society. So I request you this pray for me, and you can also investment in this site safely. I try to share you trusted site. Sometimes they are fraud to you, but it's fraud to me. No thanks. This if you think it is very like this. Assalamu alaikum.